To better understand trends, let's build a quick program in the PLC, which will give us something to look at. Here we have 4 time-on timers that are running in cascade, such that the last timer will reset the entire branch. You'll notice that rungs 2, 3, 4, and 5 are repeating the cue from each timer to a global memory called D0, D1, D2, and D3 respectively. To get started, go ahead and activate the simulator. Go ahead and power it on, and then download the program to the PLC. Alright, now there's our red, we see that it's running. If we move the PLC over, you'll see that I've taken those D0, D1, D2, and D3 and repeated them out on I/O 10, 11, and 12. And you can see the pattern here, first 10, then 11, then 12. You'll notice that 13 is never active. Now that we've seen the program in operation, we can use the Trends tool. One of the first things we want to do is we want to add some traces. You remember that global memory location that starts with a D? So we select it here, D0, D1, D2, D3. We add those trends now. We're going to choose a sampling time. 500 milliseconds will be more than fast enough for us. Hit OK, and then we're going to hit play. Here we see the D0 trace, but that's not good enough. We want to see all the traces, and we want to see them on the same graph. So we go here and we select a single axis. Now we can see each trace. You'll notice the different colors. If we bring up our simulator, we can see that it's still running. There's the I/O, D10, 11, and 12. Again, we never see 13, nor do we see it in the trace. The reason we never see it is because it is only a tick. As soon as T4 activates, it opens that contact, which de-energizes the entire chain. Again, that only happens for one scan cycle. That's why we never see it on the simulator, and we never see it in the traces.